What's up, everybody? The Boss 12874 here, and we're making a video on Subway Surfers today. And guess what, guys? I got unlimited coins and keys on Subway Surfers, so I can do. I bought everybody. I bought every single board. I bought everything basically in the game, but I haven't got a few characters because you have to get certain amount of things. You have 868 boards, and I could just buy a lot of them. You see how many keys I got and coins? It's crazy, isn't it? And let me go to me, and we got all the boards. We got every single board, and let me collect these. Guys, this is amazing. I was like, when I first got the hack, I was like, oh my gosh, I finally got it. Let me just collect all these keys. This is not actually the hack because I actually got them from doing the hack, but let me show you. Let me show you how to get all these coins. So you have to pay for this usually, but since I got the hack, I just buy all the coins. Okay, see you see how many coins I got, and look at how many keys I got. I'm just buying all keys right now. You guys ready? So we're about to, wait. I'm about to change my character. I'm gonna be the ninja. You guys ready? Let's go. And I'm getting all boosts and stuff. I just start off with boost. And here we go. And we're about to land. And I got my board with me. Oh yeah, and when I got the hack, my sister was like, Dalen, can I play? And then I was like, no, because I know she was gonna spend all my keys, but I have unlimited keys though, because I could just keep buying them for free. But I know she was gonna just keep using them and using them and using them and using them, and then I had to start all the way over and pay for more. I just buy them, but so that's why I didn't let her play. And here we go. We got another one. And I can buy all types of like trophies and stuff. See, I'm at 800. See, I'm at 1,000. I'm about to be at 1,000. Now I'm almost at 1,000. Because the faster you go, and when you go faster, it's just a lot of coins. It's just because when you're on beginner, like if you're a beginner, you're not going to get that much coins if you start off slow. So that's when you start off fast, you just get more and more coins. See, I can just do that over and over and over again. I'm dead. Do that again. I have so many keys. Let me get this. And guys, if you want me to show you this, hack, or if you want to call it a mod, I can show you. Like, it'd be a separate video though, but I can show everybody how to do it. Just comment below, and I'll just read the comments and see if you want me to. Because I will make a video on that if you want me to. I just need about like 5 people to comment if they want me to do it or not. So I just need you to comment, everybody. Okay, guys, we're about to get to 2,000. I'm doing really horrible this game. Usually I make it to like 3,000, but I only died like twice. So this is really bad for me, and I'm just getting all these coins. Let's stack them up. How did I not jump? Now watch this. Boom. Got the magnet so I can just stay right on here. Coins just come to me. I'm at 2,000. I'm beating everybody's scores. My time is almost up for the magnet. Okay, it's gone. So like I said, just comment and if you want me to show you this hack or mod or whatever you like to call it, I will be glad to show you, because that just means more fun time for me and more fun time for you in Subway Surfers. Yes, I want to give a shout out to the Jumper Plays again, because he is working hard on his videos and stuff. Guys, we're about to hit 3,000. 3,000 coins. Oh, is that 2? Oh, I thought that was 2 mystery boxes. Everybody, please don't show this to I don't want this video to get so popular, because if it gets popular, the company from Subway Surfers see it and they might ban it. So I just don't want anybody like going all around and putting this on YouTube. It's a lot of them on YouTube, but just don't go around, because this is the new hack. It was different hacks and they patched it, and then this is a new hack. So if you tell everybody about it, you can't. Nobody that doesn't have it yet, they can't do it, and then they're gonna have to come out with a new hack, and it's gonna be even more difficult, because the more they patch it, the harder the hack is gonna be. Alright guys, we hit 3,000 a long time ago. Oh, I thought I was dead. I'm dead. How? Okay, I could jump really high now. Oh, I almost died. Magnet. I'm like Michael Jordan. Watch this. If any of them come through the middle, there we go. Michael Jordan. We're about to get to 4,000, guys. Are we about to get to 4,000? I wonder. No, I'm dead. Oh, I did not even see that. I just spent 16,000 coins. But it's okay. I can just easily repay it. Now we're at 32,768 coins. Keys that I'm using. I should just go buy some more. Dude, I'm about to run out. I'm probably at like 10,000 now. Guys, we hit 4,000. I wonder if we can hit 5,000 before I die. Oh. That was real luck. I'm just kidding. That wasn't luck. It's running through my veins. What if this whole video's in like one run? Because this is one run. Because I just got all so many keys, I can just keep going. Let's go. On top. Let's go. I'm trying to get diamond too. I'm trying to get diamond on here. No, I missed the magnet. I'm like trying to get diamond, on Subway Surfers, because some people are diamond because their speed time, not their speed time, because they were running for so long. And the person that has diamond, so the first person, and see, I don't have enough keys. But let's open all these mystery boxes. No, let's not double this. Guys, I'm sorry that you have to look at this. It's just real stupid. It's an ad. It's about to go away in a second. I bet you 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gone. Oh. I'm sorry guys, you have to look at this, but it's about to be over soon. And they're about to attack our wall, this helicopter. I don't even know. I don't understand that game. I do not understand that game. So let's open this another mystery box. Let's open another mystery box. Let's open another mystery box. Let's open another mystery box. Dude, they just keep popping up. Are they just going to be popping? Oh, I was about to say, oh my god. And that's my highest score. Guys, let's see. 4,588 coins in one run. See, let me see where I am. Dude, you can tell he's a hacker. You can tell that he's a hacker. Can I beat this person? He's at 1 million. That's diamond right there. He's a diamond. I'm a silver. I'm trying to get gold. What is gold? Dude, let's see if I can get there. Okay, guys. This is going to be a 15-minute video, so we could probably do one more run. Let's go, guys. Oh, no. I don't have enough keys, guys. I'm sorry. I don't have enough keys. I didn't pay for any. This is probably not the last run because I only got 10,000 keys. I have all this stuff. I have 860 boards left. Oh my. Oh my, I can't even control, like. I'm already at 500 coins. Really? Oh, riding smooth. Did we pop up? Watch this. You guys ready? Loading. Jumped over the whole train. Fly over everything. Boom. We have 4 things open. Like, you see at the bottom where them jetpacks and stuff are at? But 2 of them are about to probably go away before I'm done flying. No, I think the shoes stay the same. Then because I'm not on the ground. Now there we are. What has got me? Oh. I'm hawking the police. The police is behind me. Oh, he caught me. Yeet. Can't catch me. I'm too fast. I'm dead. I'm just gonna. Or we could probably play another one after this. Let me just get some more coins, guys. Okay, this is the last run, everybody. Guys, I have to end of the video. So this is the boss signing off. See you guys later in the next video. See ya.